Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Government budgets can be tricky, but we will solve this fast. Let's calculate the balance for country B using simple subtraction and logic right now. First, we need to find the total government outlays. We add the $40 billion spent on goods to the $15 billion in transfer payments to get $55 billion total. Next, we compare that total spending to the $70 billion collected in taxes. Subtracting $55 billion from $70 billion leaves us with a positive balance of $15 billion left. Since the government collected more than it spent, it has extra funds. This confirms a budget surplus, making option B the only correct choice. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given data and check steps for option B.